Adding an item to your cart on StockX involves a simple process. Sign in or register. Log into your StockX account or sign up if you're a new user. Ensure you're logged in to proceed with adding items to your cart. Search or browse items. Use the search bar or browse through the available items on StockX to find the product you want to purchase. Select size and condition. Choose the desired size, color and condition of the item if applicable. Click on the specific product listing to view more details. Click Buy. On the product page, find the Buy or Place Bid button. Clicking Buy adds the item to your cart for immediate purchase at the displayed market price. Review cart. Once you've clicked Buy, StockX usually directs you to your shopping cart. Here, you can review the item added, verify the size or condition, and proceed to checkout. Checkout. After reviewing your cart, proceed to the checkout. Follow the prompts to enter shipping details, payment information, and confirm your purchase. Confirmation. StockX typically provides a confirmation message or email once the item is successfully added to your cart and the purchase is completed.